I've been sneaking in my own food forest, trying to get the rooster on camera, recorded. Come on, do it again. One more time. Mr. Lucy, Mr. Lucy, Mr. Lucy. There he is, snacking away. Mr. Lucy, just one more time. Come on. Dang. So it's been a little bit more difficult than I thought. I've been trying to sneak around this food forest for a while, and I thought I heard him making his noise, but if I can't get any other footage, I'm trying to give you something to compare the noise to, because the guinea birds don't make that much noise now if there's a rooster and there's like 30 chickens. They used to make a lot more noise when there was like 6 or 10 or whatever we had before. And I think none of them are going to make any noise. I will get another bit of footage. Just hold on. Well, brief aside. Look at that perfect timing. So, brief aside. We just got done doing some watering. And you can hear that truck in the background. You heard the rooster. So that should give you a good idea just how loud he is. Look at him over there. See him? Look at that boy. Beautiful, thank you. Now that I have sunburn, I'm about to pass out. All right, little birdies. Yep, so he's pretty loud. Whoop, spiderweb. Oh. Whew. Okay, so can't really see right now, but a friend of mine said that his son might want a rooster, so I'm gonna get a picture of him, send it to the friend, and hopefully I'll say goodbye to Mr. Lucy. But I'll keep you informed and up to date. All right, so thank you for watching. I hope this helped. I'm gonna go take a shower. Bye bye. Look at him over there. See him? Look at that boy. Beautiful, thank you.